We've got this wonderful question in chemistry that came in 2022. So I just want us to revise through this and see how we can answer this particular question. Excess of zinc was added to 200 cubed centimeters of 2 molar hydrochloric acid. I told you what molar means. It means mole per cubed dense meters. The first question that we are given here is saying, write a balanced chemical equation. The reaction between what? Between zinc. So we say zinc plus what? Plus we've got hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is like this. Then what product was being formed? We are going to have what we are calling zinc chloride like this plus hydrogen gas. This is what we are going to form. This is not yet balanced, but if we want to balance this, I'm going to show you. So one thing you need to understand is that when zinc reacts with the hydrochloric acid, you need to understand that zinc reacts rapidly with the hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride, which is like this, plus hydrogen gas. This type of a reaction is because sometimes you get to find questions telling you to say what type of a reaction is this. This type of a reaction is called single displacement. We get to call it what? Single displacement. So I'm not only teaching you how to answer this question, but even other questions that you are going to find in an exam. So this is what you need to know. How to balance this. Hydrogen 2, hydrogen 1. Chlorine 2, chlorine 1. So what am I going to do to balance up this? For me to balance up this, what I need to do, there is chlorine 2, hydrogen 2. So if I just put a 2 here, everything changes. Have you seen? This is here 2, chlorine 2. Even here chlorine 2, hydrogen 2. Meaning that this equation is what is now balanced. As simple as that. I move now to this other one. That is saying we are going to look at the good questions together. You are going to enjoy these questions. Calculate number of moles of hydrogen gas produced in the reaction. They want us to find the what? They want us to find the number of what? The number of moles for hydrogen produced. So for me to answer this question, the first thing I need to do, I need to calculate first the number of moles for what? For hydrochloric acid. Which formula am I going to use? Seeing that I'm given volume and this one which gets to fall under concentration, the formula I'm going to use is concentration is equal to number of moles over volume. Where this is just the same as molarity. So I can put M here to show that that is molarity. Meaning the number of moles is equal to, I cross multiply. I get to multiply molarity times volume. Which means that this number of moles is equal to molarity is 2 times the number of moles. Molarity is in moles per cubed dense meters. So I need to change this volume to cubed dense meters. What am I going to do? I just get 1000. I say divide by 1000. 200 divided by 1000, I'm going to get 0.2. So what is the answer there? Number of moles is equal to, you get your calculator. So I want you to confirm with me all the answers that we are going to find together here. 2 times 0.2. What is the answer? The answer is 0.4. So 0.4 moles of what? Moles of what? Hydrochloric acid. So moles of hydrochloric acid, just like that. So I'm done with that. Which calculation am I going to do here? Mole to mole calculation. I guess you remember that. So mole to mole calculation, I'm going to say 2 moles of hydrochloric acid. 2 moles of hydrochloric acid equates to the hydrogen I want to find there. Hydrogen, it's 1 mole there. It is the one that is there. Then I say here I'm given how many moles? 0.4 moles. I equate to what? I equate to x, because this is the one that I want to find. Here I'm going to cross multiply. 2 times x, that is 2x, is equal to 0.4 times 1, that is 0.4. I divide both sides by 2. Even here I divide by 2. This will be cancelled. So just say x is now equal to 0.4 divided by 2. You are going to get 0.2. So meaning that 0.2 moles of what? Hydrogen gas. So meaning that this is my answer. The same way I've answered, this is how you are supposed to answer. We move now to the next question. The next question is telling us to say, this is the question, volume of hydrogen gas produced at what? At RTP. So the volume of hydrogen gas, the volume is given by the formula. This is equal to, looking at this formula where we say number of moles is equal to volume over molar volume. There is this particular formula that we get to use. So I have the number of moles, which is that one. The molar volume, so what you need to understand, molar volume at RTP, this one, it is just the same as 24 cubed dense meters per watt per mole. This is the molar volume at RTP. Molar volume, I need to include number of moles. So I just say I want to find volume. So volume is equal to, I cross multiply over 1. V times 1, it is V, which is equal to number of moles times molar volume. So I'm going to say volume is equal to, what is the volume there? Volume is equal to what? Volume is equal to, I look at this one. I say, okay, volume is a number of moles, that is 0.2 moles, times, what is the molar volume? 24 cubed dense meters per mole. Finally, what is the answer? I will just say volume is equal to, I multiply that one now. I say that answer that we get times 0.2 times 24. What is the answer? 4.8 cubed dense meters of what? Hydrogen gas. I'm done. So meaning that this is the answer. The same way I'm answering, this is how you are supposed to answer. We move now to the last question. The last question that is here. The question is telling us to say, what mass of zinc was used in the what? In the reaction. We want to find the mass of zinc that was used. So for us to find the mass of zinc that was used in this reaction, we need to understand that the kind of calculations that we are going to do here, we are going to do what? We are going to use more to what? Mass calculation. So what I will do here is that, okay, I want to find the mass of what? The mass of zinc. So what I'm going to do, that equation, this equation that is there, I've got that particular equation. So I'm going to say this one, I now equate it to that one. This is what I'm going to do. So meaning that here, I need to find the mass of that zinc. So that mass of zinc, what is the mass on the periodic table? I check the mass on the periodic table. Mass number for zinc. It is what? 65. So if you check on the periodic table, it is going to give you what? 65. So I'm going to say 65 grams of what? Of zinc. This is what I'm going to do. Then I equate to what? I equate to the number of moles for hydrogen. So number of moles for hydrogen, the hydrogen that is there. So here it is what? Number of moles. There is just what? There is just one. So I put 1 there. I'm going to put 1 here. So I'm going to say 1 what? 1 more. Then I say here I put x. I equate to what? Number of moles for hydrogen. It was what? 0.2 moles for hydrogen. I say over 1, then 1 times x, it is x, which is equal to, I multiply 0.2 times, so 0.2 times what? 65. What answer am I getting? I'm getting 13. So I just say 13 grams of what? 13 grams of zinc was used. I guess you are confirming with me these answers we are solving together. So this is what you are supposed to do. These are certain things you need to get, just like this. So this is where we are going to end from. I guess you've seen all the answers that I've solved here, all the calculations that I've done. This is what you need to do. Those of you that are interested in starting lessons with me, this is a public video. You can WhatsApp me on this number. So if you're interested in starting lessons with me, I help you get a distinction. This is my WhatsApp number. So this is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me on this number 0971 06 6747. And don't forget that I do have a Facebook page. This is my Facebook page name. So Harrison J Zuru Tutor. Harrison J Zuru Tutor. This is my official Facebook page name. You can follow me on this page. We get to advance and learn these things together. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to share this particular video.